This video is for education purposes only. Today I don't suggest any tools or websites for making money online. Hello everyone, welcomes back to my channel AJ Digital World. I can suggest affiliate marketing, digital marketing tools, and also suggest the world's best websites to earn money online, and I can share information regarding the world's best affiliate program that you can earn money online. To join, link in description box. So if you interested, so please subscribe to my channel and stay with me. I hope you are enjoying videos and also implement this knowledge into your online journey. I provide full information on the tools and websites/apps in the form of a tutorial. Watch the tutorial till the end. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, link in the description box. Subscribe to my channel, and watch the video till the end for the whole information. Thanks. Let's start the video.
What's the PayPal? PayPal provides an easy and quick way to send and ask for money online. You can transfer money outside to family, friends, online stores, and auction sites like eBay. Online payments. All you need to send money to your family or friends is the recipient's email address. If you want to create an account in PayPal, link in the description box. What is PayPal and how is it being used? It's an online financial service that allows you to pay for items using a secure internet account. Any money received is stored in your PayPal account and can be used when you pay for something, the balance being uploaded to your assigned card or bank account. How is PayPal working and how do you get your money? With PayPal, you will receive money when someone sends a payment to your email address or mobile number. Once that happens, we'll send you a message to let you know that you have money at your disposal. You can access your money from your PayPal Cash account or your PayPal Cash Plus account by going to the summary page. Is there a payment fee for PayPal? There is no fee to use PayPal to purchase goods or services. However, if you receive money for goods or services, such as from the sale of an item on eBay, there is a fee for each transaction. International payments as follows. The PayPal user agreement contains specific information. Can I use PayPal without an account, please? If you don't have a PayPal account, you can create a new one before you pay for it. If you don't want to create an account, you can pay by debit or credit card. Check your money request or invoice, and then click Pay Now to complete your transaction. Is PayPal safe for you? Most of the time, PayPal is safe when you use it to send money. Nothing is completely risk-free. Glitches and breaches of data are possible anywhere. But PayPal is a reputable company with enough security and consumer protection in place to keep you relatively secure online. Why do I need a PayPal account for that? PayPal is the faster, safer way to pay online. It's free to sign up for a PayPal account and download the PayPal app to receive and send money to other PayPal users. In addition to one-time purchases, PayPal is also the faster, easier way to make recurring payments to all your monthly bills and subscriptions. Is PayPal safer than your debit card? Purchasing and privacy. Paying with your debit card via PayPal is safer than just using your debit card. Merchants, as well as hackers, thieves, and employees will only see your email address, your PayPal username, and some personal information when using PayPal. What's required for a PayPal account? You need to provide your first and last name, address, phone number, and email address to open a personal account. To protect you, you will create a password for your new account and choose 2 security questions. Is it safe to link your bank account to PayPal? PayPal uses extensive security measures to protect your bank account or credit card numbers. We will never disclose your financial information to anyone unless we have your permission or are required by law to do so. In addition, PayPal provides 100% protection against unauthorized payments from your account. Why does PayPal charge me a fee? We charge fees for the following circumstances when you receive money from your purchase. When you are receiving payments from outside your country or region. There is a fee if you send a payment to someone in another country or if you receive a payment from someone in another country. I hope you all are really like this information. Subscribe to my channel for more interesting videos. Do not forget to share and press the bell icon. Leave a comment. Do you like the video? To create a PayPal account, link in the description box. Good luck.